Hi everyone, happy Saturday. I wanted to post a video because I'm really excited. I'm really excited. It doesn't take a lot to make this girl happy. So creating an incredible series of owls, which is what I do now, that are tribute memorial pieces for people and their families, is a full circle moment and a dream come true for me. But it doesn't take a lot to make me happy. So this wood panel, this is a natural bamboo wood panel that I'm creating this incredible portrait of an owl on. This makes me happy. It's just, I know it's a hunk of wood, but it's gonna transform into something beautiful. So I wanted to share with you, because I've always been, for the last several years, a colored pencil artist, high pigment colored pencil, and I'm going back into painting. With a little bit of pencil work in with the eyes, because that's where I get all of the details, and everything is in the eyes. So I'm going to be creating a big series of North American barn owls. And I swear to God, a month ago I knew nothing about owls except they were kind of cool and what I saw in Harry Potter. And now I know a lot. I know a lot about northern pygmy owls because of the work I'm doing with that. And this breed just really speaks to me. They're beautiful. They're white, but they've got lots of beautiful brown and orange and just incredible earth tony colors. But the shape of their face is a heart. And I just thought, as tribute memorial pieces, it can't be anything more meaningful and symbolic. So because I'm going into painting, what I'm going to do with this wood panel, instead of start painting right on it, I'm going to use this product for my artist friends out there. So this is a clear gesso, and what this is going to do is, before I start painting, it's going to add a bit of a rougher surface for the paint to adhere to, and it's also going to bring out the wood grain. So it's going to be perfectly primed. So I'm damn excited about this. And this is also at the store. I'm going to be teaching art classes as an art instructor come spring as well. But this is the part that gets me really excited. This gets me really excited. So it takes a little bit of work. I don't freehand sketch. I want to make sure all the proportions are right. So I just wanted to show you quickly, if you can see. And I know you're probably thinking, geez, Tamara, are you actually going to be painting on your vintage pink velvet couch? No. I have a really great new easel that's coming, but I also have an office space where the organization I work out of, they have a studio in there, so I'll be working there too. Lots of light. So this is it all mapped out. I don't know if you can see this. Yeah, I can see that. I had to do it in 2 pieces just because I wanted to map it out and make sure that it's the right size. So this is about 16 by 20, but look at the heart-shaped face. Look at that. There's me. There's the owl. Look, yeah, look at that. Isn't it amazing? I'm so excited. So the owl itself, the body is all white, the heart-shaped face, with gorgeous plumes of feathers back here. So that's what I am doing, and I actually have probably 4 more that I'm going to have sketched out as part of this series that I'm doing with this amazing organization that I'm a part of. So yeah, it's magic. It's a dream come true for me. And you know, for artists out there, and you think that you can't do what you love, you can do what you love. Just hold faith in yourself, believe in yourself. And oh, that's Cat kind of wanting to be in the video. He's a little jealous of my camera these days. But anyway, I'm excited. I won't keep you any longer. That's what my podcast is going to be for, is to ramble on. But watch as this guy comes to life on this wood panel. I hope you're having a magical Saturday. I know that I am, and I hope you're all well. I will see you guys all on the flip side. Bye.